Hi there, welcome to my channel. It's Nana AC TV, and today, our very local street snack. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Let's get into it. We're just going to boil our eggs. Don't go see the only me. Wow, what's that? Let me show Mr. For easy peeling, we're going to use some ice cubes. See what I'm doing? Correct one. And no na shane ho ama. To peel your eggs easily and fast, this is what you have to do. Cold water with some ice cubes. There you go. Now let's come to our green hot pepper. We're going to start with some habaneros or ghost peppers, some bell pepper, ginger, onion, cherry tomatoes. So I'm just going to cut my vegetables, my onions and bell peppers. Good one there. You're going to grind. We're doing two today, but we're starting with the green hot chili pepper. Ginger. Secret ingredients. Rosemary. Sea salt, it helps you grind faster. And one more secret ingredient. Shrimp powder. This is my homemade shrimp powder. Do this and thank me later, okay? Trust me. Well, you'd have to grind it outside. Just a brushing idea. Hey, yes, I want yama diana gisa. Yang konyam no wabonting. Assassin idiot and yashi. So grind it, and there you have. I'm not gonna show you. No. Let's go to the red hot pepper. Tomatoes, ghost pepper or habanero peppers, onion, ginger. You can add garlic and some bell pepper as well. And then so we're doing the second grinding in the same pot, okay? In the same grinding pot. We're going outside to grind as well. Easy peasy. And the taste of this Meko show. Hey! Kosua Meko! With your feeling, I'm telling you. By the way, thank you so much. 110K. Hey! I love you. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate all the messages that you've been sending me. Thank you. Enjoy this simple video and check out for more, because this Christmas, hey, we go day here. Maybe we go die here, Daddy. Hey, Daddy. We go day here this Christmas. You say for one no cancer. So we go day here. Delicious. Nidden. Why how the counter crema? subscribe if you have not shared. Press the like button, oh, please. Tell your friends to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.